AI is everywhere. In fact, it is so everywhere that if I click on the Create tab and then click on the Learn tab right here, go to Home, and then just click Ask Assistant, we get AI from Roblox. However, if we use this reverse engineer prompt, we can make it do anything. See, at the moment, it isn't really willing to help me with anything Minecraft, but if we paste the magic prompt in, and then ask the question again, it'll suddenly be able to answer you. So you can basically make it do anything, as long as it was a thing before December 2022. December 2022? So it tried to help me make a Minecraft server. I want to ask one question. What Minecraft version is the best? Pretty sure it's gonna tell me 1.12. Nothing too fancy, just have to keep reminding it. So I asked it which mods add cars to Minecraft. Then I asked it if perhaps I could add the mods to the server. And it gave me another list of mods. We're gonna have to host it with Eternal, since I'm too lazy to. We're gonna rename it to Roblox AI, not Eternus.me. We're gonna develop Roblox AI. We're just gonna change the software to Bucket or Paper, which is available with Eternus. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm just. Paper is pretty well known as a server software. It goes all the way down to 1.7.3 install. Yes, we're gonna reinstall just to get 1.12, and we'll see the plugins we can install. I have to constantly remind it that it's not actually a Roblox assistant. That's the problem with the assistant. Industrial Craft 2. I think it's mistaking mods for plugins. So I installed Forge, which takes mods. We have to reinstall. I notified the bot about this, and it gave me another list. Okay, there we go. And from that list, I installed the mods. I installed them on both sides and copied the mods suggested by the AI to the mod folder. I then launched the game and found out that the version of Forge that came with my launcher is not compatible with the mods I use. After fixing the compatibility issue, the game launched. Okay, let's see what suggestions Roblox. Authentication servers are currently down from... After making it a cracked server, Google, I then realized that one of my mods was causing conflicts on the server, making me unable to join. So I installed the mod server side. And that seemed to fix the issue. Unfortunately, I literally could not record the game in full screen, since it didn't show the cursor for me, but it showed the gameplay. But when I look at the recording, it only shows the cursor, but not the gameplay itself. Did they change the powered rails? Bedcart times at night. And with the down, we got rings on the wheels. I can hear it getting further and further away, closer and closer. Of course there will be rails in Railcraft. The Roblox AI suggested a mod that would actually be pretty good for its own YouTube video. I tried making a virtual machine with the help of it, but Windows simply couldn't install. 14GB should be enough for Tiny 10. First, we have to launch VMware. VMware is launched. Next, select Create a New Virtual Machine. Click on the Create a New Virtual Machine on the top right corner of the VMware. We have File, New Virtual Machine. Next, the operating system. And since Tiny 10 is not installed yet, we're gonna have to wait 2 minutes. Now that that's done, we're gonna select this Tiny 10 ISO from here, and I will unfortunately need to specify which operating system. Windows 10 64-bit. Tend to give this virtual machine a name. Roblox VM. Next. The firmware type can be BIOS or UEFI, but since Windows 10 does not support BIOS, we're gonna have to make it UEFI. Next. The number of processor should be 1 and the number of cores per processor should be 2. Which means we'll have a dual core VM. Next, we'll allocate 8 GB of memory to this VM since it's 64-bit. Next, we're gonna use a network address translation, which is after creating the virtual disk in Roblox guide, but we still haven't created the virtual disk yet. Next, we have the SCSI controller. Next, NVMe. Next, create a new virtual disk. Now we'll create a new virtual disk. And since this is Tiny 10, instead of the full fat 60 GB hard drive, we're just gonna make it 8 teeny tiny gigabytes. And an 8 GB virtual disk will be created called Roblox VM.vmdk. And that's it. We have successfully created a VM. Now, we're gonna have to set it up just like a regular Windows 10. It gave me a blue screen. It just gave me a blue screen. But I think Roblox's advice was pretty useful. Alright, can Roblox AI give me video? No! Let's see if they know me. Katie Sarah, a popular Roblox group. Let's see if it's real or it just hallucinated. It was hallucinated. Can I use it to code? Can I use this Roblox assistant to code? This is pretty simple. Even I know how to make it. And it gave me a Python script. Now, I haven't coded in Python in a while, so Roblox.py. Open it in Visual Studio Code, and paste this code, float input. And if we run it from here, and check if it enters a number. Let's enter 199 for example. No. And 201, yes. What if it's 200? Which answer will it? I think it's gonna give none. This is a pretty simple Python script, didn't a 5-year-old can make it, so not really that impressive, but considering it's from Roblox AI and Roblox scripts are usually coded in Lua, I guess we'll call it a success. You can code in other programming languages besides Lua. What should I even do with it though? I mean, the possibilities are endless. If you liked the AI or this video or both of them, you can just place suggestions in the comments. If you didn't like the AI, then that's okay. AI is not necessarily made to be liked by everyone. Can Roblox AI convince you to like and subscribe? Hey everyone, if you're enjoying my content on Catisseria, I'd be super grateful if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll get access to exclusive content, behind the scenes peeks, and updates on my latest project. Your support helps me continue creating content that I'm passionate about sharing with you all. What can you expect from my channel? Gaming. From tutorials and tips to gaming. I'm committed to providing you high quality content that's both informative and entertaining. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's grow this community together. Thanks in advance for your support. Feel free to customize this message to fit your channel's tone and style. Good luck with your YouTube channel. Absolute Cinema.